Does your car jerk when you press the gas pedal? It's annoying and can leave you stranded if not fixed. But don't panic. In this video I'll show you common reasons why a car jerks during acceleration and simple fixes you can do at home. Welcome to Car Fix School, where we fix cars the easy way. Here to save you money by showing you how to do it yourself. Forget the fancy diagnostic computers. We're going to get our hands a little dirty and get the job done right. Let's diagnose this problem step by step and get your car running smoothly again. By the end of this video you'll have a checklist of things to inspect, likely finding the problem without paying a mechanic. So, if you're tired of that jerking and ready to take control of your car's health, you've come to the right place. Rev up your engines because class is in session. Let's dive right in. First up, the mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor, is a common troublemaker. It measures how much air enters the engine, but dirt can coat it, sending wrong signals. This leads to a lean mixture and causes hesitation or jerking. If you use cheap oily air filters, they can contaminate the sensor quickly. Fixing it is easy. Locate the sensor near the air filter box, disconnect the battery, unplug the sensor and remove it carefully. Clean it with MAF sensor cleaner. Never use harsh chemicals like brake cleaner. Spray it thoroughly. Let it air dry, and reinstall it. Reconnect everything and start the car. It might run rough initially, but should smooth out. This simple fix often solves the jerking problem. Remember, a clean MAF sensor ensures your engine gets the right air-fuel mix. Avoid costly mistakes by using the right cleaner. A clean sensor can make a world of difference in your car's performance. This is a cheap and effective DIY fix. Keep your engine breathing right and enjoy a smooth ride. Don't let a dirty sensor ruin your driving experience. Take control and fix it yourself. If the MAF sensor isn't the issue, check the ignition system. Your engine needs air, fuel, and spark. Let's focus on spark. Spark plugs and ignition coils ignite the air-fuel mixture. A weak or missing spark causes misfires, leading to jerking. Old spark plugs can't create a strong spark, causing power loss. Check your spark plugs for wear or fouling. Replace old plugs with the right type and gap them correctly. If new plugs don't fix it, check the ignition coils. Modern cars use a coil-on-plug system, where each plug has its own coil. Coils can fail, causing misfires, especially when hot. A flashing check engine light indicates a severe misfire. Use an OBD2 scanner to identify the misfiring cylinder. Swap coils to see if the misfire moves, identifying a bad coil. This simple diagnostic trick saves you from guessing. A strong spark ensures smooth acceleration. Don't let a weak spark ruin your drive. Fix it yourself and enjoy a smooth ride. Take control of your car's ignition system. Now, let's talk about fuel flow problems. A clogged fuel filter or dirty injectors can cause jerking. The fuel filter catches debris, but clogs over time. A clogged filter restricts fuel flow, causing hesitation. Check your manual for the filter's location and replacement interval. If the filter is fine, suspect dirty fuel injectors. Deposits disrupt the spray pattern, causing incomplete combustion. Use a quality fuel injector cleaner with PEA. Pour it into your tank before filling up. Drive normally to let the cleaner work. Listen to your injectors with a screwdriver or stethoscope. A silent or different sounding injector might be clogged. A good cleaner can solve many acceleration problems. Keep your fuel system clean for smooth performance. Don't let dirty injectors ruin your drive. Fix it yourself and enjoy a smooth ride. Next, let's tackle vacuum leaks. A vacuum leak lets unmetered air into the engine, causing a lean condition. This leads to rough idle, poor fuel economy, and jerking. Check rubber and plastic vacuum hoses for cracks or disconnections. Listen for hissing sounds indicating a leak. Use soapy water or an unlit propane torch to find leaks. Spray soapy water around suspected areas and watch for bubbles. A propane torch can help confirm leaks by smoothing idle. Replace cracked hoses for a cheap fix. Don't replace expensive parts when a hose is the problem. A vacuum leak is a simple fix that can solve major issues. Keep your engine's air-fuel ratio balanced. Don't let a vacuum leak ruin your drive. Fix it yourself, and enjoy a smooth ride. Take control of your car's vacuum system. Enjoy a smooth, jerk-free drive. Finally, let's address the throttle body. A dirty throttle body can cause a sticky gas pedal. The throttle body controls air intake, but gunk can make it stick. This leads to sudden jerks when you press the gas. Clean the throttle body for smooth acceleration. Access it by removing the intake hose. Use throttle body cleaner on a rag to wipe away gunk. Don't force the throttle plate open. Use the gas pedal to move it. A clean throttle body ensures smooth response. Don't let a dirty throttle body ruin your drive. Fix it yourself and enjoy a smooth ride. Take control of your car's throttle system. Enjoy a smooth, jerk-free drive. Keep your throttle body clean for optimal performance. Don't let gunk slow you down. Enjoy a smooth, responsive drive. You fixed it, now keep it that way. These common issues can be diagnosed and fixed at home. Save money and learn DIY skills. Enjoy the satisfaction of solving problems yourself. Don't be at the mercy of mechanics. Subscribe to Car Fix School for real car fixes. Join our community of smart car owners. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and comment below. Let us know if these fixes worked for you. Thanks for watching and remember, fix it yourself.